everyone. Vanamotsav, a week-long festival of tree planting, is organized every year at the first week of July across India. On this occasion, we the students of grade 6 have introduced many trees and plants. Please watch this.
Plants are the main source of food for all living things. The countless benefits of plants cannot be neglected. They may not depend on us, but our lives depend on them. Every tree we see around us was a tiny plant some years ago. Today, I am planting a rambutan plant. The rambutan fruit is native from Southeast Asia. It is naturally red in color and has a spike-like appearance.
Tulsi is most popularly known as basil. The basil or tulsi has many medicinal properties. Tulsi has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda for its diverse healing properties.
It is anti-inflammatory in nature, which helps in reducing any inflammation in our stomach. It also helps in relieving indigestion. Mint is rich of phosphorus, vitamins, calcium, which improve in body immune system.
Ginger is loaded with antioxidant compounds that prevent stress and damage to our body's DNA. They can help your body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, and disease of the lungs, plus promote healthy aging.
It is an Indian gooseberry plant. Indian gooseberry has been given a prominent place in Ayurveda, which is also called as Amla plant. This gooseberry plant is a traditional one and is a sacred plant. In India, people worship it. There are many medicinal uses of Amla. Amla
Mango is my favorite fruit. It is our country's national fruit and people call it the king of all fruit. Mango can be eaten by many ways such as salad, juice, pickle. Brahmi leaves are traditionally used for medicinal purpose in Ayurveda. Brahmi leaves are very good for our nervous system. It also promotes hair growth.
plant. Custard apple contains a variety of B-complex vitamins like riboflavin, which makes your skin healthy. Vitamin C protects your skin from ultraviolet light and erythema.
Breadfruit is belongs to group of vegetables. Breadfruit is green from outside and yellow from the inside. This vegetable makes a palatable dish when cooked properly.
Fruit is a tropical fruit from Mexico and Central America. It is a taste like a mixture of pear and kiwi. It naturally fat-free, high in fiber. It can strengthen your immune system. It can boost your iron levels. The amazing mango tree is much more than just a source for mangoes. The mango tree grows in tropical climate. A mango tree can grow quite large, reaching a height of 100 feet or more. Mango is a national fruit of India. It is also called king of fruit. It is very sweet and delicious fruit. Mango tree gives us shadow. The fruit of a mango tree are full of minerals and vitamins.
Mango fruit is a common fruit. In many countries, it is the national fruit. This fruit is so juicy when it is ripe. Mango contains vitamin A, C, and D.
Most popularly known as tulsi and has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda for its diverse healing properties. This basil plant is a treasure of various health benefits. The leaves of this plant strengthen stomach and help in respiratory diseases. Mango is our national fruit. Mango is often considered as the king of all the fruits. Mango tree gives us shadows, fresh air to breathe. Some people use mango leaves to decorate.
Mango tree is mainly seen in India. A mango tree can grow up to 15 to 30 meters. A mango tree can live up to 40 years. Mangoes are harvested in summer season. Mango tree wood is used to make furniture and musical instruments. Aloe vera is considered to one of the best medicinal plants used into treatments of various health conditions. It also improves digestive health and promotes the oral health.
Mango is the national fruit of India. Mango is king of fruit. It is very sweet and delicious fruit.
Tulsi plant have many medicinal properties. Tulsi plant is rich in zinc and vitamin C. It has antibacterial properties which protect us from various diseases.
The mango tree grows in tropical climates. They are only able to grow in the southernmost position. Tulsi is great for healing skin problems, boosts the immunity, good dental health, digestive health, promotes respiratory health. Worms, stomach upset, diseases of heart and blood vessels, diabetes, and liver problems.
Aloe vera is a succulent plant species in a genus Aloe. It grows in a tropical, semi-tropical and arid climates around the world. It is used to make cosmetic products including the skin lotion, ointments for sunburns and minor burns.
The main benefit of planting plants is that they provide us with the life-giving oxygen. Without oxygen, it is impossible for us to live. Planting trees is also necessary because they have the power to absorb harmful gases.
The benefits of aloe vera plant in cancer, diabetes, and acne. It's also very good for the skin. It also heals constipation, wounds, and burns.
The importance of this tree is that the neem leaf is used for medicines for various ailments such as stomach upset, skin ulcers, intestinal worms, fever, diabetes, and many more.
This is Tulsi plant. The importance of Tulsi is the juice of Tulsi leaves is very useful to bring down the fever.
Finger is commonly called as bindi or okra is a powerhouse of valuable nutrients. Lady's finger is required in blood RBC production. There are good amounts of dietary fiber present and hence good for diabetes and weight loss.
Coconut contains nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Coconut leaves are massive and durable and used to make brooms. Coconut water is good for our health. It brightens our skin and strengthens our hair.
This plant is useful in many ways, such as the leaves of the papaya plant are used to make medicine and to cure dengue. The fruit of this plant is very nutritious and very tasty. We can also make face pack of this fruit.
I have studied that lemon is also known as the Nimbuka in Ayurveda. Lemon is good for digestion and it also balances all Vata, Pitta and Kapha. As this is also known as a citrus plant.
It is good for health, smells good. It is used in food item, oils, etc.
Banana are produced in tall trees which are often mistaken as trees. They actually have pseudostem formed from leaf sheath. In fact, almost all the banana parts of a banana plant are useful.
Peppers are known for arthritic, asthma, upset stomach, etc. Peppers have long bones for them. They are low in calories and are loaded with good nutrition.
Tulsi is a plant common in Indian households, also known as basil. Tulsi found in two types. Rama Tulsi having green leaves, Krishna Tulsi having purple leaves. Tulsi can also cure fever, cold, heart disease, and many more diseases.
This is a plant.
It is one of the common Indian cuisine. It not only increases aromatic flavor of dishes, but it also has so many health benefits.
After a few years, my plant will grow into a huge tree. Mango is called king of fruit and it is our national fruit. Mango tree can grow up to 40 meters high and can live about 100 years.
Tulsi plant is a medicinal plant used for making different medicines since the ancient time. This plant is worshipped by Hindu and is known as goddess in Hindus.
Mango is the most favorite fruit of everyone. It is the national fruit of India. It is also the national fruit of Philippines and Pakistan. It is the king of fruits.
Neem tree is a common tree found in India. It is popular for its medical value and it can also grow taller in short period of time. We use neem leaves to make toothpaste and mouthwashes. These tall trees are used for the purpose of medical and Ayurvedic uses. This is a guava plant. We will get tasty guava fruit from this plant. It is found light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. It is a round shaped fruit. Popularly, it is known as apple of tropics.
I like arecanut plant because it is used in many ways. Its stem is used to make poles. Its leaves are used to make plates, bowls, etc.
Tulsi. Tulsi is also known as the Indian basil or the holy basil. It is often referred to in India as the queen of herb and the holy herb. It is grown in almost every Hindu household.
My name is Anvita. I am from 5th grade. I am explaining about a coconut tree.
Coconut tree is very usual and it has many benefits. If every part is usual, there are many benefits from its tree, such as coconut drink, milk, coconut oil, juice, leaves, etc. Coconut roots are used to prepare medicines and its leaves are used to roofs for house. Thank you.